Hey guys, here is another fan I got from Santa Claus, believe it or not. It's 2 out of 2, and I took the San Marino down a couple days ago, just right there in its box. And so here's a Breeze Wellsboro. Yeah, I like it. It's got this cool shade, glass shade. Well, it's plastic. Yeah, so came with these pull chains. Harbor Breeze. It's the light. This one says fan on it. And yeah. And it has like this green finish. I don't know what it's called. Then I don't know what that finish is either. There's the top of the motor. There's the canopy. Harbor Breeze. Yeah. So here's the light. Very blinding light. Here's well. Now the fan does hum. It's not as bad as the San Marino. And for a fair warning, this thing does wobble a bunch. I have no clue why it does, but it does. I already feel a decent amount of air already. Okay, here's medium. Now this is where it starts to wobble. Indeed, it's wobbling pretty bad. It's even wobbling even worse than on camera. It's not a scary wobble. It's blowing a bunch of air already. And here's high. Oh god, it's gonna start wobbling like crazy. Now this thing is a powerhouse. This thing goes really good. Like a great amount of air. Almost like an industrial. But it's not that powerful. Here's the light again. Okay, this thing is really like an industrial, but not that powerful. and off. And yeah, this is my Harbor Breeze Wellsboro ceiling fan.